A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 centimeter is 12 centimeters deep. Find the capacity of the pit. Here diameter 3.5, so radius is half of 3.5, so it is 1.75, and height is given as 12. So just volume, formula for volume of cone is, say this, pi r square h upon 3. So just input the values. Don't find the answer of 3.5 upon 2, because this 7 gets cancelled. 7 1 is 7, 7.5 is, and 2 to the 4, and this gets cancelled. This becomes 3, 4 3 is, and then the answer you get is 112 cubic centimeter. The length of a diagonal of a cube is 8 root 3 centimeters. Then the volume of the cube is, here we have solved this earlier in the same chapter. Kindly check the earlier videos. Diagonal of a cone equals to what? Side root 3. Side into root 3. But it's given as 8 root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. The side is 8. So side is 8. Now what is the volume of the cube then? Volume of cube is side cube. 8 into 8 into 8. That becomes 5 and 2. Learn the cubes up to 15 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart, and tables up to 30 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sync behind those videos, and you'll learn it in 3 months. Okay, let's move ahead. Next, the capacity of a conical vessel with height 12 centimeters and slant height 13 centimeters is. Capacity means volume. Formula is pi r square h upon 3 for cone. Now you know height and you know slant height. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find r. So 13 square equals to 12 square plus r square, Pythagoras. So solve this. 169, 144, subtract 25, r square 25, r equals to 5. So capacity means volume equals to pi r square h. Now what value of pi to be taken? 22 upon 7 or 3.142? Remember, if anything is divisible by 7 over here, then take only 22 upon 7. Otherwise take 3.142. That is easier. 942 cubic centimeter. So your multiplication you have to do it by heart yourself. So that should be very fast. And in exams you need not get the exact answers. Here 5 5 the 25, 25 into 12, 300, and 300 into 3, that is 900. Now check the answer nearby 900. You don't go on multiplying this 1 4. It will take time. 300 into 3 is 900. Check the answer which is nearest to 900 and take that. Always try to follow approximations in competitive exams. Don't go for exact answers. These are very difficult because you don't have a calculator for using it, and you don't have time. So go for maximum approximation.